everyone is doing well today on this beautiful Saturday. Today I will do a quick top-down analysis on NAS 100 and review the signals I sent out this week, starting with the monthly time frame, looking at the most recent candle. Then the previous candle, we are still within that previous candle dealing range because we haven't taken out the previous candle low or the previous candle high. Next we're going to drop down to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we're going to look for the most recent expansion range with a swing high and a swing low. Within that expansion range, look for PD arrays such as order blocks or fair value gaps. Only take buy setups near the most recent swing low and sell setups near the most recent swing high PD array. For example, we have a bullish order block right here with the fair value gap, and we also have a bearish order block right here. And the reason this is a bearish order block because we have these multiple candles closed below this most recent bullish candle, but look at the displacement on this bearish candle. So that's what makes it an order block. Now we drop down to the daily time frame. Repeat the same steps, but this time keep an eye on the higher time frame zones marked out. Now mark out the PD arrays on the daily time frame range. Also mark out the liquidity levels. You can see here we have a bearish order block right here on the daily time frame in that range. And we also have previous week high liquidity and a previous week high liquidity before this previous week candle. Then we're going to drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, repeat the same steps. Once your chart is completely marked out, monitor price action on the 4-hour time frame until price reach the higher time frame zone. Then drop down to 1-hour time frame or 15-minute time frame for entry. The 5-minute chart is the lowest time frame I like to enter on. So I'm just gonna spread out these candles a little bit so we can see the chart better. And my computer have a slight lag and delay. I guess it's because I'm recording. I'll have to upgrade my laptop soon. But notice the higher time frame zones we are within this daily order block. And this is the mean threshold. See this whole zone, this area right here, it's still within the order block on a daily time frame. So sometimes it may take at least 2 to 3 days before it actually occurs to the lower time frame. It depends on how fast price is moving. And I like to drop down to the 1-hour time frame sometimes just to get a clearer view of things. I don't watch price action on a 15-minute time frame because it's like a bunch of confusion. Well, I ain't gonna say confusion, but I watch price. I just use the 15-minute time frame for more of an entry setup. I don't watch price action on the 15-minute. I'm gonna drop down to the 15-minute time frame. This is the trade I took on Friday. Liquidity was grabbed. Manipulation occurred. I was part of the manipulation once again. Same. It's like the same exact trade I took on Tuesday. I want to say I got stopped out the same way. And you know, that's part of the game. Sometimes it happens like that. I just have to pay more attention to what I'm doing. Maybe I got caught up in a lower time frame or something. So it's just something I'm gonna work on this week in review, not to make the same mistake this week. But everything is just about possibilities. You know, I trust in my strategy. I believe in my concepts, and I just go with the flow. I didn't take any trades on Thursday because I didn't like this gap, and I knew it would have been a lot of manipulation in the market. This is a trade I was watching. I didn't take this trade because I lost the previous trade. And when I lose a previous trade, I usually just mark out the same setups, but I don't take it because I don't want to risk more than what I already lost. And I usually just risk 0.5% a trade. Sometimes I risk I take two trades in one day at the most, and I just watch price action for the remainder of the day or the next 2 days after. But yeah, guys, that's it for this week. And tomorrow I will mark up the charts at market open. You guys have any questions or need more details, just DM me. You can also send me your charts if you need help with your chart work. And until then, I see you guys in the market next week. Thanks.